Hiya, folks. It's Jeff Flavin here, and tonight I'd like to talk to you about a story that happened when I was probably about 15 years old. Now, my dad at one point gave me his old Ivory Johnson shotgun. Now, it was just a single barrel affair, and it was a breakaway barrel. So you click the lever, the barrel would drop down, and you could get into it, and it was one shot. And it was a really nice old shotgun, and I tried to look after it as best I could. And I reviewed the barrel, I pulled it apart, I oiled it. The only problem was the stock had a split in it. And so, no problem. And I just took this PVC tape and taped it up really good. And I went, yeah, that's cool. And so, yeah, that was what I used as far as a shotgun. It was a 12 gauge, and it was a great gun it was. It kicked like a mule though. But anyway, I was about 15, and I wanted to go for my deer hunting license. And there was a whole bunch of us at school that wanted to get our deer hunting license as well. So the local NRA, or National Rifle Association, put on this thing called Shotgun 101. And basically, it was just a safety course that you could go on. And it really helped for you to learn all about your shotgun. And at the same time, give you all these safety things. So you were out there, when you were hunting, you'd be out there and you'd be safe. You knew what you were doing. And so, yeah, there was about 20 of us, and all about 15 years old, all my classmates and stuff. And, yeah, so I'm wandering around before the course started. And I ran into this girl that I liked, and her name was Celeste Mancuso. And she was a lovely girl, a bit of a tomboy. And yeah, she would always hang with us. She would be out firing rifles with us and stuff on the weekends. And she would hang out with us down at the local diner, just eating burgers and doing stuff, just being kids. And yeah, she was a lovely girl. And anyway, we both smoked, and we weren't supposed to smoke because we were like 15 years old. And so she goes, "Hey, I got a cigarette." And so we snuck off to one of the portaloos, which is a plastic toilet, basically. And we went inside there and shared a cigarette, and then went out to the course. And so we're getting ready to do the course. And one of the instructors from the NRA comes up, and he's inspecting all our shotguns before we're allowed to actually shoot them on the course. And he looks at mine with all this PVC tape around the stock, trying to cover this massive split. And he goes, "No, no, no. You're not going to fire that. You can use mine." And so he had this beautiful Mossberg shotgun with all wooden furniture. It was a gorgeous gun. And anyway, we all went through a couple of hours of safety with the shotgun, how to use it safely, and what to do in first aid, and just everything. And it was a great course, and it actually really helped all of us when we went to get our deer hunting licenses because we had all graduated from the course. Anyway, it came up to the skeet shooting time of the course, which is near the end. And the instructor from NRA gave me his beautiful, beautiful Mossberg shotgun. And he goes, "Right, you know what to do." And it's a pump action. And that was all good. And so I'm there aiming, and I yelled pull, and the guy down below in this little shack pulled up the clay pigeon, and I went boom, and I hit it, and everybody went ooh, and so they said, do it again. So I pull, and boom, I hit it again, and everybody goes woo. It was funny, and he goes, wow, you're a fantastic shot, do it again. And so pull, boom. And I just winged the third one, but everybody was still really impressed. And so was my dad, who was there with me as well. And so, yeah, we did all that. And yeah, uh, end of the day, we all got our deer hunting licenses, those of us that passed the course, which I think was all of us, because we went through the course. We had a lot of fun. We did things safely. The NRA made sure that we did things safely. And unfortunately, I never got to date Celeste Mancuso, but she did hang out with us heaps anyway. And we had fun. And she stayed being a tomboy for as long as I knew her before I came over here from New Zealand. And yeah, it was just a lot of fun. But there you go. That was my introduction to using a shotgun safely so I could go out and hunt deer. And I did. I hunted quite a few deer, and it was fantastic. We all had meat in our freezer all the time. All right, folks. So that's my story for today. Story time with Jeff. And we'll talk to you again soon. So until next time, use your weapons safely and make sure that you know what you're doing. All right, folks. Take care. Bye.